Top of the day to you guys. Welcome back to Euro Crypto. Welcome back to a brand new video. Basically, in this channel, I cover everything that is crypto related. So if you are interested in crypto and blockchain in general, definitely consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can receive my videos whenever I get them out for you guys regularly. So on this video, guys, we are gonna take a look at Unibot. This is a project with a lot of potential, by the way, and this is a project with a service, a unique service that I definitely advise you guys check out for sure. I'm gonna leave all the links related to Unibot in the description of the video, so make sure to check them out. So Unibot here delivers the fastest Telegram Uniswap sniper, and with Unibot you will experience seamless and perfect lightning fast trading with their free to use Telegram bot. Feel free to check it out here. Let's go ahead and take a look into what Unibot bot looks like. So after you click on that link, it'll take you to Telegram where you can start the Unibot sniper, and you'll get all the features that this bot is here to offer to you, and you will experience again very interesting, very profitable trading experience with this service and with this bot. So make sure to check it out. You will be able to sell tokens, buy tokens, the buy limit and the set limits of your selling points and the buy-in limit as well. And you can mirror sniper, and this is the token balance, the P&L analysis and the settings, and this is where you can transfer ETH. And you will find more details and more info on this bot right here. You will find the address right here, and you will find your balance, your transactions again, and your wallet and your balance of ETH as well. So make sure to check it out, give it a try. Let's go back now and take a look into more features of the Unibot project. And down here you'll find a tutorial video that helps you understand how Unibot works. Feel free to play it. So the video, guys, is 3 minutes long, and it pretty much helps you understand exactly how Unibot sniper works and what this bot is here to deliver to you as a crypto enthusiast, trader, investor, or whether you are a beginner or advanced crypto enthusiast as well. So make sure to watch this video to understand exactly how the Unibot works. Some of the features that you will see with Unibot, and that are for free by the way, is lightning fast multi-wallet swaps, lightning fast private transactions, comprehensive mirror sniper, user-friendly method sniper. Feel free to read each one of these features. You'll find more details on each one of these features and services, so feel free to do that and understand more. By the way, this is just going to be a video that's just going to single out the highlights of this project Unibot, so feel free to get into the details and read all of that yourself, because as I said, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research. But I think this project has a lot of potential, especially with this service, with this bot that is going to deliver crypto experience on a much better level. And down here you will find a tutorial or a guide step by step into how you can get started. So you will have the multi-wallet fast swaps, and third step there, this is just shortcuts by the way. So you will be getting started, and then you will be having the multi-wallet fast swaps, the private transaction fast swap, the mirror sniping, copy trading, the token value monitor, and the linking wallets for token holders. Again, feel free to read more about this particular section here, and down here we will find more details on the Unibot token and more tokenomics and more details into the ecosystem of the Unibot token, so feel free to read that as well. I'm also excited to tell you guys that for the likes of you who are interested in Unibot and want to invest in this token, you can buy the token. It's definitely and it's successfully listed on Uniswap, and you can buy Unibot here exactly the amount that you wish to buy to invest in this project if you think it is going to be successful in the future. For me, I think personally it has a lot of potential, because this is definitely something that could be helpful to a lot of people, so I definitely encourage that you give it a shot. And so it's listed here, so you can buy right on Uniswap if you are interested. And right here on Dix Tools, this is where you can keep track and progress of the Unibot token price patterns. This is where you're going to keep track of the token price, whether it's fluctuating, whether it's going up or it's going down. You will see more details on this chart right here, so feel free to visit DEX tools as well. This is the page where you will find more details on the revenue sharing. I'm gonna leave the link in the description as well for you guys to check it out, because I know a lot of you guys like to know the details of the token and of the project and understand more. It gives you an idea of how the ecosystem of the project or the token works. So that's definitely something you guys want to check out. Feel free to access the link in the description of the video. I also encourage you guys to join their Telegram channel. They have over 2K subscribers already, so give it a join here and stay tuned on everything they are posting on their Telegram group, and be a member of a growing community and a growing project. I also want you guys to give their Twitter account a follow and support them on Twitter, because they post stuff here on a regular basis as well. So that's definitely gonna be helpful to the project and to you, as well as someone who's interested in Unibot. So this is where they definitely post everything you're gonna know, so make sure to give them a follow on Twitter, as I just did. I'm also hyped to tell you guys that they have a YouTube channel and they have videos there. They post regularly as well. They post tutorials, they post stuff for their communities all the time, so this is definitely going to be helpful for you as well. If you are, or if you're getting a problem, or if you're having an issue, just hop on their YouTube and watch one of their videos. It's definitely going to be helpful as well. So let me know guys what you think about Unibot here, and let me know if you're going to try their bot and what you think about this bot generally. I appreciate that a lot. Give this video a huge big like, I'd appreciate that too. So make sure to leave your comments and your thoughts and your ideas, and thank you guys for watching this video to the end, and I hope I catch you on the next.